Mel here. So I hope you are all safe now. Now guys, when you go out, do you use your face mask? I hope you are all wearing your face pack, right? And you also use a face shield for your additional protection. I'm sure some of you don't have a face shield yet, right? Now for this video, good thing because I'm going to show you a DIY face shield. Okay, are you excited? Now before we do our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated for my next videos. Okay, now let's do our DIY face shield. In order to have a DIY face shield, you need to have 6 or 7 liters of empty water bottle, a scissors, and a cutter. Okay, here you go guys. So as you can see, this is now the final result of the DIY face shield. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm wearing a mask. Okay, so of course you can recognize who I am. Plus, try the DIY face shield, and you're gonna use it for your another protection for your face, nose, eyes, and mouth. See? Though it's kinda it's kinda funny, but just don't care. Anyway, that is for your safety, and I'm gonna use this tomorrow, guys. For the first time, I need to go out just to buy our necessities. Okay, so see guys, it's easy. All you have to do is to find an empty bottle inside your house as big as this, right? So, and then you can have your face shield. See? So look at also my husband's face shield. So from that bottle itself, we have made 2 face shield. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you have learned something from this very simple video. Okay, so safety first, right? Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day.